Hi, this is Jim from Solutions Point. Now I am going to discuss about PHP strings. What is PHP strings? String is a series of characters such as "Hi guys." Variable replace with their values within a double quoted strings while not replaced in singly quoted string. For example, I am going to explain this. Save this. Here $name is Jim, $A is my name is $name. This whole string is quoted with single quoted so that this $name will not be printed. Then again I am taking another variable $B that is equal to my name is $name. The whole string is quoted with double quotes so that it will print without error. Go to browser, refresh, it is printing, it is not printing, and this is printing my name is Jim. Here my name is $name. This $name is not printing because here we have used single quotes. The whole string is used with a single quote. Okay, next. String concatenation operator. Dot operator is used to concatenate two string variables as one variable. For example, I am storing a string in $A which is assigned to my name is, another variable is $B which is assigned to Jim. I am echoing $A dot an empty string dot $B. It will outputs my name is Jim. I am going to explain with my editor. Save this, refresh here. My name is Jim. My name is one string, Jim is another string. This is joined using concatenate operator, that is dot operator. Okay, and within two variables $A and $B we have used an empty string because we have used an empty string because to separate the two variables. Then come to PHP string functions. strlen function. strlen function returns length of a string. Here echo strlen hi Jim. Here it will print 6 because the length of the string is 6. HI empty space JIM, total is 6. I am going to explain with my notepad. Save this, refresh here, the output is 6. Okay, strlen function is used. I am counting the length of hi Jim string, so output is 6. Okay, then come to next function, PHP inbuilt function, that is str word count function. str underscore word underscore count function calculates the number of words in a string. For example, save this, echo str underscore word underscore count hi Jim. It will count the number of words present in this string. Here 2 words are present. Hi is one word, another word is Jim, so it will print 2. Refresh, 2 is there. Okay, then come to next function, strpos function. strpos function searches and returns the position of a string or character within a string. In a string, counting of first character position begins with 0 instead of 1. I am taking an example to clear about this. Okay, here this function will search the letter J in the string hi Jim to find its position, so it will give output 3. We are thinking that it will print 4, but actually it will print 3 because H, its character position is 0, I, its character position is 1, then empty string, its character position is 2, then J, its character position is 3. So we are finding the position of Jim, so it will search the first letter of the string or character that we have to find in the main string. Okay, so it will print 3. Then come to next function, that is strreplace function. The PHP str underscore replace function replaces a string with another string within a main string or within a single string. I am taking an example. Echo str underscore replace Tom, Jim, hello Tom. It will find Tom in the main string in which we have to find and replace with Jim and prints as hello Jim. Okay, it will print hello Jim. It will print hello Jim. Okay, then come to next function, strrev function. By default, any string is printed from left to right. strrev function prints a string in reverse direction, that is from right to left. I am taking an example. It will print M, I, J, empty string, O, L, L, E, H, because strrev function is used, so it will print from right to left. Come to a browser and refresh. This is printed in opposite direction. Okay, you can find a complete PHP string functions by clicking here. Thank you for watching this video. For more, subscribe us.